This method is used on multi-layer circuit boards or assemblies to disconnect an internal connection at a plated hole. A precision drill press is used with a carbide end mill to make precise cuts at the spokes or internal circuits extending from the hole. The minimum skill level needed to complete this procedure reliably is expert. The conformance level reached when this procedure is completed properly is high. See the web page for a list of the tools and materials required to complete this procedure. The procedure follows. Step 1. Identify the hole that requires rework and clean the area. Step 2. Mark the coordinates on the board surface and place the circuit board on the base plate of the precision drill press. Step 3. Select the appropriate size end mill or drill and insert it into the chuck of the precision drill system. The cutting tool should be approximately 0.010 to 0.025 mm greater than the width of the spoke or circuit to be cut. Set speed to high. Use caution. Abrasion operations can generate electrostatic charges. Note: end mills are normally single-end, 2 or 4 flute solid carbide. Step 4. Mill into the circuit board surface adjacent to the plated hole. The milled holes should be aligned directly above the internal spoke connections. Mill down just deep enough to sever the internal spokes connecting the plated hole to the internal plane. A microscope must be used for accuracy. Up to 4 milled holes may be required. Do not drill deeper than needed. Step 5. Blow away material with air and clean the area. Step 6. Check continuity to be sure that the internal connection has been deleted. Inspect the neighboring circuits to make sure that none of them have been severed or damaged. Step 7. Mix the epoxy. Step 8. Fill the holes with epoxy flush with the surface. Remove excess. Note: a slight overfill of epoxy may be desired to allow for shrinkage. Step 9. Cure the epoxy per Procedure 2.7 Epoxy mixing and handling. Evaluation. Step 1. Visual and electrical examination is required.